In this video, we are going to see a complete outbound sales system that finds leads, writes personalized emails, and sends outbound emails automatically. Let's click on Execute Workflow to get it working. First, you get to set a few companies that you'd like to find the employees from. For example, I'm going to write the company Tesla, then Microsoft, and finally Apple, one company per line. Next, we enter the role in the company that we'd like to target. I'm going to set here Director. Then we got the department. I'm going to go Department of Sales here. You write the offer that you want to sell to your leads. Our outbound SaaS finds leads for B2B businesses. Now we can select the number of employees we want for each company to use as leads for our campaign. I'm going to set 10 contacts per company. Here I go and submit this query. Now the workflow is going to run. We can check the workflow execution status. Click Write Personalized Email to see the email content. Here you can see the email subject and body generated for this by the AI agent. Continue to the next step in the workflow. This node sends the personalized email to the lead with the subject and content written by the AI, and it sends it to the lead's email. Let's set up this workflow step by step now. Click the link in the video description to visit LinkFinder AI. Click Start Free Trial to begin using LinkFinder AI. Click API Access to get your API key. Click here to copy your API key. We need it to set up the authorization in the workflow nodes. Click the first node to add your API key. Click the API key field to enter your LinkFinder AI key. Fill in your LinkFinder AI API key in the authorization field. Click Company Name to Website node to map company names to websites. Continue to the next step in the workflow. Continue to the next step in the workflow. Click the API key field to enter your LinkFinder AI key again. Fill in your LinkFinder AI API key again for this node. Click Company Domain to Employees node to find employees by domain. Click the Domain field to map company domains from the form value. Click the Department field to map the department from the form val. Click the Seniority field to map the seniority level from the form value. Click the Contacts per Company field to map contact counts from the form value. Continue to the next step in the workflow. Continue to the next step in the workflow. Click Conditions to add a condition that email is not empty. Continue to the next step in the workflow. Continue to the next step in the workflow. Fill in your LinkFinder AI API key again for this node. Click LinkedIn Profile to Email node to find emails from LinkedIn profiles. Continue to the next step in the workflow. Click Write Personalized Email to generate outreach emails. Click Edit Expression to modify the email writing prompt. This prompt instructs the AI to write a short, specific, non-salesy cold outreach email using lead details. Continue to the next step in the workflow. Continue to the next step in the workflow. Click Credential Operation to set email sending authorization details.